Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got an organic food store and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your business, you are certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Marty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Marty Sites yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update websites for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go to the top and search for my market, organic food store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so we can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region of my organic food store. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on that continue button and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various organic foods and produce you stock in your store. You want to showcase it on your website so customers know what they can find in your store. You can make amendments to this website. You can make the changes. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding at all, or hire a web professional to help you, or even possess any web professional skills yourself. You can do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top, click on update section, and go ahead and pop in my email address over here. We want to make sure that email address is displayed on our website so customers can reach out to us easily. So let's go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here so customers can easily reach out to me. That is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. Great thing about that address, when your website is live, customers can click on that address and it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo, head on over to update logo, browse your device and upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on this little pencil over it to make slight amendments like cropping, rotating, adding filters, frames. If you're happy with it, go ahead and click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. If you want to change the colors used throughout the website, you can do that as well. No color coding necessary. Click on the little paint bucket, go through the various color palettes options available for you to use. Awesome, that looks pretty great. Let me check out one or two more. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save this one. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section, head on over to Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Play around with the keywords if you need to find specific images that are free in the library. Under Update Content is where you can change the content that was pre-written as a guideline. Buttons can all link to various places on the website. You can click on choose link. You can link to another website. Maybe you take online orders or something along those lines through a third party. Otherwise, you can link to an action. But my favorite option is to upload a PDF file. So that's where you could upload your current promotions and offers in PDF formats. Otherwise, a catalog or brochure about your business. Look at that. It looks absolutely fantastic. Everything looks great. In this last section over here is where you can put in your trading hours. Click on update hours, put in the various trading hours your business is open for your customers' convenience so they know when they can come visit your organic food store. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on I already have a domain, set it up, connect it. If you don't have a domain yet, you can click on I want a new domain and purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your organic food store. Really wishing in your business mighty success.